Starting with a high flow air filter with our patented triple layer foam that we use for that, for much superior flow technology. The lid itself has been designed with specifically designed airflow channels. By adding these in, it allows a much faster route for the air to exit the much larger outlet of the airbox now. By increasing the size to 102 mil, we're getting much superior airflow coming out the back of the airbox itself, whilst being channeled nicely without causing any sort of interruption in terms of turbulence and disrupting the airflow. It's important when you're doing the carbon lid up as well that you don't over torque any of these bolts and risk cracking any of the carbon lid itself. So always check the torque specs in your instructions. Now, the silicone elbows and joiners that we've done on this, one, we had to create new ones to be able to accept the new larger diameter from the airbox lid, but each silicone is also stepped internally to match the ID and profile of each of the carbon parts. By removing any extra turbulent points, it just allows for increased airflow, speedier airflow, and overall better performance of the part. Specifically designed aluminium coupler also connects into the silicone joiner itself to take the OE breather pipe straight off. Another silicone reducer is used at the turbo end, again stepped to be able to match the ID of the turbo inlet as well as the silicone, as well as the carbon inlet pipe as well. Finally, we have the carbon pipe itself. Again, same as the airbox lid, fully carbon fibre construction. This has a natural taper from the 102mm down to the 90mm onto the turbo end. By doing this, it gave us the best performance in terms of flow and speed of airflow, whilst giving us the volume we need to be able to increase to the next level.